Morning everybody, it's Michelle, and sorry if I've got a funny voice. I have had a very bad stinky cold. Anyway, I wanted to show you not the pot so much. The pot is another day's video. It's my popcorn maker that Mark and I made. It's my brainchild and his manufacturing, so good team we are. Today I wanted to show you making yogurt, and in the pot is milk. It's just coming to the boil, and so I'm going to be switching it off now. What's in the pot is basic milk from a supermarket. Anyone will do. Mine happens to be semi-skimmed. I could have probably a little bit more fat in it than 1.8, but that's what I use. And it is pasteurized and homogenized semi-skimmed milk. That's it. Any milk will do, but I'm using that one because that happens to be the shop we went to the other day. The last ones I made with not a semi-skimmed milk, sorry, but with a one from Lidl, and it worked beautifully as well. So you put that into your pot, bring it to the boil on a medium heat, and when it starts to boil, you switch it off and leave it to cool. It needs to get to body temperature. So if you've had children and you've bathed them, you test the water on your wrist, and that's what I suggest you do if you don't have a thermometer. If you've got a thermometer, it needs to be sort of 37 to 40-ish degrees Celsius, and that way you won't kill off your bacteria and yeasts that are in your culture. And your culture happens to be, in my case, Kilner jar full of my previous batch of yogurt. If you don't have any existing, go to the supermarket and find a nice Greek yogurt or a plain yogurt with no flavors, no added sugars, and that is got live culture basically, which is most yogurts, and you can use that instead. So what we're going to do is, when this has reached the 37-ish temperature Celsius, remember, we are going to add 2 tablespoons of this into the mix. We're going to put it into the oven, switched off. It's only to retain the heat. And in 6 hours, the culture will have converted your pot of milk into yogurt. Now I don't think I can get this off right now. I'm going to attempt to with my hand. Okay. So this is the yogurt here. Now, my yogurt's incredibly thick, and next time I won't be making it quite as thick as this. But that's another video which I'll tag onto this for you to see how on earth it got to be that thick in the first place. So we'll come back a little bit later when the milk has cooled down, and I will do the rest of the process with you.